So as we think about the world we live in, we want to be a responsible player. And what we found as we talk to customers is that green only works if there's green in it. And by that I mean people need to see savings. So doing sustainability for sustainability's sake or because you want to check a box doesn't really solve customer problems. Sustainability is a problem set, much like anything else. And we put sustainability as a requirement because one, we're good stewards of the environment. We want to make sure that we're leaving the place better than we found it. And two, there's actually savings if you view this correctly. There's a very, very quick return for the customer, and that's why they're buying it. They're not buying it because they're trying to be good stewards of the environment. Well, that's a benefit, but the reason is they're saving money. And I think if we view sustainability through the lens of we're actually helping people save money, and oh, by the way, also helping the environment, I think it's a win-win.